Hi everyone, in this OBS Studio tutorial we are going to see that how you can just zoom in and zoom out. There is no specific option for OBS Studio where you have to zoom in on a specific portion of your document and you are going to clearly show and give the idea that how the student will now get those information with clear views. How we are going to do that one, let me give you an overview of an idea of that one here. Now what you are going to do, you are going to come in scene and you are going to add new scene, and I will write like okay, and I will say screen, for example 1, and here we have like no source. Then in source I'm going to make a display, okay, display capture, and I will say that normal zoom, and I'm going to press OK, and we are going to select the screen, and here I have my complete screen which you can see right now. Press OK, and I have like my Adobe Illustrator, and you can see each and everything. But the problem is that if I'm going to give instruction about that Illustrator and I'm like moving here, which is a very like small information, and I need to zoom in here, then how we are going to do that specific one. Now for example, I'm going to like zoom in my toolbar, which is very small, and how we are going to do that. Okay, now I will come in scene 1, and in scene 1 you are like going to right click on that one and duplicate. Okay, duplicate, I will say screen 1 zoom or tool zoom. Okay, tool zoom, and we are going to press OK, and you will see no changes. But here we have a red line or border, and you are going to hold down your Alt key, and it will just trim the specific portion of your document. Now you are going to zoom in the portion which you want to give information. For example, I have just zoomed in the toolbar. Now if I'm going to show the toolbar, you can see it is now very clear, and also we are going to show like the files, it is very clear. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will also make one new duplicate of that specific portion, and I will say that dialog zoom dialog box. Okay, now here we have zoom dialog box, and I'm going to trim here, and I'm going to zoom it like this. Okay, let me trim a little bit more, and I'm going to zoom it like this. And that is the first which I have zoomed in like in toolbar, and that is my normal screen, which if I'm giving or showing complete my normal screen, and it is my tool, and it is my dialog box. Okay, now if I'm going to show like dialog box here, and again if I'm going to go to the normal, and it is the normal way. Now how about if we are going to make a shortcut for that, because it is not possible like again and again I should go like from one scene to another scene, but we are going to add a shortcut. We are going to come in file, in setting, and in setting you have hotkeys, and in hotkeys you are going to see like all your scenes like explanation I have, and we are going to go into downward, and we are going to find like S, and let me just find out. Okay, here we have okay screen 1 which I have created, and we are going to give that 1 Control Alt Shift 1, and the zoom tool Control Alt Shift 2, and zoom 3 Control Alt Shift 3. Now I will apply and press OK. Now whenever I'm going to go, for example I want to explain the toolbar, and I'm going to just click Control Alt Shift and 2, and if I'm going to go like in dialog box, I will just come here and give this information, and if I'm going to back, and then I will just go and give all the information here, like I have my complete views. And again, if I'm going to go in my toolbar and here is my toolbar where I'm going to show each and everything clearly, like that one and this one. And since if I'm going to work on main document, then we are going to click and then we are going to work on main screen. And that is how simply you are going to add zoom effect. Maybe it is not a zoom effect, but this is a trick which we are going to use in like OBS Studio. Definitely it is one of the best option, I think, as far, because OBS has not included zoom option by default, but you are going to make your work perfectly and make it like how you are going to zoom in and zoom out in OBS Studio. Hope it will work and give you more sense while you are giving instruction in different softwares. Okay everyone, if you like that video, thumbs up and also share.